Setting up a tripod is time-consuming. As a temporary solution, I put a phone clamp on top, so every time I can just come here and drop my phone in, then start filming. It is my top priority now to build a proper mount over the top for my new Sony mirrorless camera to do Amazon live streaming as well as all my future YouTube videos. There is a micro HDMI cable adapter connected to the HDMI capture card through that Type-C hub to the laptop, which serves as a monitor for the camera video feed. This is a very simple and minimum setup as it only requires one Type-C cable connection that provides both power and signal through all these three USB devices, including a microphone, a web camera, and of course the Sony mirrorless camera through the capture card again. This is how it would work. When I grab the both sides, it kind of works like a gimbal stabilizer. However, the main objective is to mount the camera from above in order to simplify the setup process. The angle is fully adjustable. The LED lights are very bright, so I put a cardboard there to provide a little bit of shade for the monitor behind the camera. So this is the top-down shot from the Sony 5100. So every time I come in here, I just flip up the laptop, fingerprint, and there you go, I got my monitor. It's super easy to take it off and use it freehand. And the shots are much more stabilized, and there are tons of other positions I can try out. With the flip up screen, it's just so much easier to film. Next project would be making a camera mount for this articulating arm. I am still designing it, so my camera would stay put at any given position within the reach of the arm. So this is part of a microphone that I took out. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for your support.